This loaf is looking perfect.
Wow, it smells so good.
Fresh flour for mine day in the hollow.
Fresh bread's almost ready.
It smells wonderful.
I gathered the eggs.
It's almost ready.
Smells wonderful.
I can't wait. It looks so good.
Here we are. Fresh from the oven.
It smells so good.
You've outdone yourself.
Can we have some?
Fresh from the oven.
And the eggs look perfect.
Can I have some? We picked them this morning.
I love mornings.
Me too. Look at the sky.
Morning already. Work time.
Let's feed the chickens. I want to help. Look, they are hungry. Look at them go. They're so fast. Yeah, run chickens, run.
Wow, it's working.
Yay. Can I try?
Of course, come on over. That's my boy. This cow gives us milk.
Milk is good for our health. We make butter and yogurt. Can I try?
Sure, come here.
Be gentle.
Careful, she kicks.
You'll do great.
Hey there, big fella. You like that, don't you?
Wow, the cow is so friendly.
Yeah! Can we pet it too?
The goats are climbing. They are fast. Goats give us milk too. Yes, and cheese.
Watch them closely.
They are funny animals.
Look at her go! That's it. Look, they're moving.
Yes, they're so beautiful.
Wow.
Go, sheep, go! Follow them.
These sheep give us wool. We make clothes. They are fluffy. Can I touch one? Be gentle.
They run fast. He's a happy donkey.
He loves this path.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
It really is. The donkey seems happy too.
I can't wait to see the market.
Yeah!
This donkey helps us carry water.
He is strong. Animals help our life.
Hello, donkey.
You are my friend.
Good work, animal.
It looks so big.
It's a wheat field.
We make bread from it.
Work is coming.
This is wheat. We make bread from wheat.
The field is big. We make food from wheat.
It looks so big.
Yes, a great harvest.
We'll all help. Work is coming.
It's rewarding.
It looks like gold. We harvest soon. Work is coming.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
Wow, the corn is so tall.
It sure is, buddy. A perfect day.
Look at the birds.
This is corn.
This is barley.
We grow food here. Look at all this corn. It's growing so tall.
Wow, can we go closer?
Of course, let's go see.
It's so high.
We grind wheat to make flour.
Flour becomes bread. I want to try. Me too.
Slow and steady.
Strong hands.
The oven is hot.
Bread smells good. I am hungry. Me too. Wait a little.
Patience.
We make butter from milk. Shake it slowly.
My arms hurt. I can help. Good teamwork. Don't stop.
This is cheese. We eat it with bread.
It smells funny.
Bread entry 1A Beja Fried Games.
Me too. It tastes good. Try a bite.
Healthy food.
The river is shiny. Look at the fish. Water gives life.
We drink it.
We wash here.
Stay close.
Look, there's something over there.
What is it, son?
There, by the water. Wow, it's so cute.
Be patient.
I caught one! Wow! Good job! We can cook it. Strong hands. I got one! Wow, it's so big! Awesome, nice one! Thanks, team! Let's get another!
We need wood for fire.
For cooking and for warmth.
This one is heavy.
I can carry small ones.
Good work. Great work, team.
Thanks! Let's go!
Yeah, let's go.
These are tomatoes. These are onions. I like carrots. I like flowers. Water them gently, not too much.
We need wood for fire.
Good idea, Noah. Let's get some.
From the forest?
Let's go.
Time to harvest. Work together.
Slow and safe.
Stay close. This is fun!
Look at the bundles.
Strong work.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. This was the first episode. Next episode is coming soon.
Thank you for watching. See you next episode.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Take care now.
Good job, children.
Don't spill the food.
Chickens give us eggs.